We get a lot of requests from our prospects and clients requesting for land and properties in a well-gated and secured estate. Here's an amazing option for you. Welcome to Plantation City Estate. It comes fully serviced with a 24-hour power supply, a 24-hour security, a good road network. We have a lounge, we have a bar, we also have a green serene environment and a gym for you. Plantation City offers you a variety of building types to choose from. If you're looking to buy and invest or to buy and live in with your family, this is the best option for you. We have lands available for sale. If premium living and luxury living is what you want in Delta State, Plantation City Estate should top the list. Reach out to us today and let's make your dream a reality.